We all know bees make honey. That sweet, golden liquid is a true gift from nature. But bees are so much more than just honeymakers. They are incredible creatures with fascinating lives. Their world is a marvel of organization, hard work, and vital importance to our planet. Let's take a closer look at these buzzing wonders and understand why they deserve our admiration and protection. Have you ever stopped to watch a bee in action? They flit from flower to flower, their tiny bodies covered in pollen. This simple act of collecting pollen is crucial for the survival of countless plants, including many of the foods we eat. Without bees, our world would be a much less colorful and less bountiful place. Bees are perfectly designed for their busy lives. They have 2 pairs of wings that allow them to fly with incredible agility. Their fuzzy bodies are covered in hairs that collect pollen as they move from flower to flower. And of course they have a stinger to defend themselves, though they only sting when threatened. There are over 20,000 species of bees worldwide. Some bees are social, living in large colonies with a queen bee, worker bees, and drones. Honeybees are a great example of social bees. Other bees are solitary, preferring to live and work alone. Each species has its own unique characteristics and role to play in the ecosystem. Inside a beehive, it's a hive of activity. Thousands of bees work tirelessly together, each with a specific role to play. The queen bee is the mother of the hive, laying eggs that will hatch into new bees. Worker bees are all female and have many jobs, from cleaning and building the hive to collecting nectar and pollen. Drones are male bees whose sole purpose is to mate with the queen. The hive itself is a marvel of engineering, made from beeswax produced by the bees. It consists of hexagonal cells that are used to store honey, pollen, and raise young bees. The intricate structure and organization within the hive demonstrate the remarkable social behavior and cooperation of these tiny creatures. Bees are essential for the health of our planet because they are expert pollinators. Pollination is the process of transferring pollen from one flower to another, which fertilizes plants and allows them to produce fruits, vegetables, and seeds. As bees collect nectar and pollen from flowers, they transfer pollen grains, enabling plants to reproduce. Without bees, many plants would not be able to reproduce, and our food supply would be in serious trouble. Imagine a world without apples, almonds, blueberries, or coffee. These are just a few examples of the crops that rely on bee pollination. Sadly, bees are facing many threats today. Pesticides used in agriculture can harm or kill bees. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanization deprives bees of their foraging grounds. Climate change is altering flowering patterns, making it harder for bees to find food. The decline in bee populations is a serious concern, not just for bees but for all of us. Without bees, our food security is at risk. We need to act now to protect these vital pollinators and ensure a healthy planet for future generations. We can all do our part to help bees. Planting bee-friendly flowers in our gardens and balconies provides them with much-needed food sources. Avoiding the use of pesticides in our gardens protects bees from harmful chemicals. Supporting local beekeepers by buying local honey helps sustain bee populations. Even small actions can make a big difference when it comes to bee conservation. By spreading awareness about the importance of bees and encouraging others to take action, we can create a brighter future for these buzzing wonders. Did you know that a single bee can visit up to 100 flowers in one trip? Or that it takes nectar from about 2 million flowers to make just 1 pound of honey? Bees are truly remarkable creatures with many fascinating secrets. Here's another fun fact. Bees communicate with each other through intricate dances. By performing specific movements, they can tell their hive mates the direction and distance to good sources of nectar and pollen. The next time you see a bee buzzing around, take a moment to appreciate these amazing creatures. They are essential for our food supply, the health of our ecosystems, and the beauty of our planet. By understanding and appreciating bees, we can all contribute to their conservation and ensure a sweeter future for everyone. Let's all do our part to protect these important pollinators.